Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on SLP token. In today's video, we will take a look at this big falling wedge pattern, and SLP has dropped again at the support of this big falling wedge. And we will also take a look at this descending triangle that has been formed on the 4-hourly time frame chart. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more ideas, you can also support me at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you, and you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis. And first of all, let me to show you this very big falling wedge pattern that SLP has formed. And right now we can see that previously, by the way, I was following this resistance because we had several touch points here, and here we had a fake out. But after these two more candlesticks, two more spikes, we cannot ignore this resistance level as well. Therefore, now I'm following this resistance line, and now it has formed a bigger falling wedge pattern after these two spikes. It is more clear now. And we have few touch points at the support as well. And right now you can see after hitting this support, it is more confirmed that it is the SLP token is respecting this support of bigger wedge, and right now it is being consolidated above this support level of the bigger falling wedge. Now, for example, if it moves up to the resistance, and let me just show you the previous price level resistance that we have approximately at $0.0095. That is very close to 1 cent. And you can see that the resistance of the falling wedge will be approximately at the same level. And the price line will need to move up almost 100% from here in order to break out this resistance of the wedge and this resistance of $0.0095. And after the breakout, we can expect a very, very big move by SLP token. Now, if we take a look at the recent support and resistance levels on the 1-hourly time frame chart, then you can see that the major movement of SLP token can be seen between the resistance of $0.0055 to the support, and that the support is at $0.000509, almost half a cent. And then after this support, we will have another immediate support on the short term that will be at $0.0047. And here we also have the resistance above the resistance of $0.0055, and this resistance is at $0.00588. And you can see this resistance, the recent resistance that we have above the price line right now, is breaking as a resistance here, and as a support here, and as a resistance here, and almost as a resistance here as well, and as a support here. Therefore, right now you can see it is again breaking as a strong resistance for the price line. And if we take a look at the recent support, and we can see right now the price line is moving above this support, that is at $0.00509. And recently it has been breaking as a support here, and here, and here as well, and back here on 16th of May. And even before that, we can see it was breaking as a support here on 15th of May, and on 13th of May it was breaking as a support, and almost as a support here as well. And if we take a look at the next support of $0.0047, then it was almost breaking as a support here. We went very close to this support, but it was breaking as a resistance here and as a support here as well. Therefore, for example, if the price line breaks it down, then it can have another price reversal after testing the support of $0.0047 in case of we break down the support of $0.000509. Now, if we take a look at the 4-hourly time frame, then here SLP token has formed a descending triangle, and as you know that Bitcoin is already moving in a descending triangle. Right now SLP is at the resistance of this descending triangle, and it is more squeezed than the triangle of Bitcoin. You can see that we have more space in the Bitcoin's triangle on the 4-hourly time frame chart. This is the Bitcoin's movement. And if we take a look at the SLP, then SLP has no space to move more within this triangle. Maybe within few hours it will move more inside this triangle, but it can break out this triangle before the breakout of the Bitcoin, or maybe it will break down if Bitcoin breaks down the support of this triangle. This is, by the way, very strong support for Bitcoin. because here we also have a very long-term and strongest support of Bitcoin at $28,600 that is not broken down since after January 2021. Now, if we take a look at this, the target of this triangle for SLP token, then for example, if SLP will break out this triangle, in that situation, the next move can be $0.00674. And in case of breakdown, the target to the downside can be really very low. That will be here at $0.004. And here we also have the last support. You can see we had some consolidation of the price line here, and we had another move to the upside. Now, if I copy this trend line from here, I'm just copying the target in case of breakout and paste it here on the support and resistance chart, then we can see it is showing us the projection even beyond this resistance of $0.00588. That can be a very big breakthrough for SLP, and in that situation it can continue its move to the resistance of this bigger wedge that is $0.0095 approximately here at $0.0095, and that will be a really very big move. So next few hours are really very important. We need to keep an eye on this triangle of SLP. As you can see, on the other hand, Bitcoin is also moving inside a descending triangle. If Bitcoin moves up from this support, then before breaking out of this triangle of Bitcoin, SLP can break out before the Bitcoin, because we can see we are very close to this resistance of the triangle, and the triangle of SLP is more squeezed than the triangle of Bitcoin. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also support me at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you. And you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.